Dear students, today we will discuss Bohr's atomic model in the atom chapter. Bohr uses Planck's quantum theory to and give three postulates. Okay, but before we talk about the three postulates, we have to understand Planck's quantum theory. According to Planck, energy can absorb or emit discontinuously in the form of small energy packets, which called quanta or photon. Each quanta and photon have h nu energy, where h is Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of the radiation. So Bohr uses Planck's quantum theory and gives his three postulates. Number one, Bohr's quantization condition. According to Bohr, electron can revolve only on those orbits which have angular momentum integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. Okay, electron can revolve only on those orbits which have angular momentum integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. You know, in previous class, angular momentum, formula of angular momentum is mvr. So mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi, where h is Planck's constant and n is principal quantum number. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. So next, atomic stability. According to Bohr, revolving electron have centripetal acceleration, but it do not radiate energy. Okay, but it do not radiate energy. That means there is no loss of energy of electron. So atom remains stable. Now the next, Bohr's frequency condition. According to Bohr, when atom gets energy from other source, any outside source, then electron goes from lower energy state to higher energy state, and after 10 to the power minus 8 seconds, it comes back to its lower energy state, its original state, and release energy in the form of electromagnetic wave. Okay, E1 is lower energy state, E2 is higher energy state. E1 is lower energy state, E2 is higher energy state. So E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu, where h is Planck's constant and nu is frequency of the radiation which he emits. Okay, electron goes from E1 to E2, and after 10 to the power minus 8 seconds, it comes back to again E1 is energy state and release its energy in the form of EMW. Okay, Bohr found certain frequency in radiated EMW. Bohr found certain frequency in electromagnetic wave. So he said the spectra of the atom is line spectra. That atomic spectra is line spectra. Okay, so this is the three postulates of the Bohr's model. Okay, so the topic is done. Thank you.